How to mute audio by default. Are guys facing issues to mute audio by default on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To mute audio by default on Twitch, first of all, open Twitch application. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, click on profile icon. Then after look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on settings. After you click on settings, you can see this option for preferences over here. Tap on preferences. Once you tap on preferences, you can see this option for mute feed by default. You are looking to turn it on, right? Just simply toggle the option. Once you toggle the option, videos will be muted by default. Tap the unmute button or use your device volume controls. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna mute feed by default on Twitch. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.